Mega love, mega shout out, and welcome to Pure Stone Heart once again, guys. I will do another video, our favorite video, my personal favorite video, which is unboxing again, guys. Ganun pa rin, sapatos. I ordered this one, guys, and it came already here. So, I will make this unboxing. I will do this unboxing now. So, I will show you again, guys, disclaimer, not to brag that I have my new shoes. This is for content purposes only, guys. Okay? So, again, to my beautiful and ever, what do you call this one? Ever favorite online shop. Okay? Thank you so much. And it arrived yesterday and I am not here in the office. My colleague picked up this one. Let's do the unboxing. Actually, guys, I promise not to buy any more shoes because I have a lot, you know. I have a lot of shoes in my house. But, guys, when this app always came into my wall and again, what to do? So, again, pair of shoes. This is the first one. This is the first pair of shoes, which is Puma. When I saw this one, I love the color and I love the design. And I hope what I saw online is the same now arrives, because I have noticed that when I ordered, some are good in picture, but in the real, when you receive, it's too different. But mostly, I receive the same. So, you will be the first to see. Oh, yes, guys. Wow, this is so cute. US women. So the design is, maybe I will give this one to my pamangkin. I love the color and I love the design, guys. But the sad thing is, this is for ladies. So, anyway, yeah. So I hope she liked it. Puma. The next one is here. Another pair of shoes. Oh, this one, what I love. Again, still Puma. Still Puma. And there's a bit of damage. Yeah, but this is 10. The size is 10. So this is the new pair of Puma, guys. And this is the other one. Thank you so much for watching my videos for the unboxing.